fitted inside the helmet with a mic sock fitted to the mic too, but just a little tiny, it looked like a micro feather duster sort of in, and you put them into the top of the camera. So I believe the audio should be okay, and you'll be able to hear my voice and the motorbike, hopefully. And I'll probably hear some wind. It is a bit of a windy day today. There's some bit of crosswinds coming. This Transalp, it's a pretty good bike as far as head-on wind, but it doesn't matter what bike you got, you're always going to get side winds. And then this wind's coming directly from the south, straight hit this way where my hand was. So it doesn't matter what sort of screen you got, unless you have a screen on the side of your bike, you can't stop the wind coming when it's coming from your side. So if you hear that wind, that's where it's not that this is a noisy screen. I would tell you if it is. I've got the tall screen, it's 7 centimeters taller than stock, and I'm only short, 5'7", well, short on the short side, and 28-inch legs inseam, so that is probably a bit below it. I think the average inseam on a male is 30 centimeters, and even female, it might even be for male, because females can be shorter than I, like 168 centimeters, 170, say, and still have a 30 centimeter inseam, or even a 30 because they've got long legs. Whereas if you're short-ish in height and have a short inseam, then you are short. I could be 173 centimeters in height and have a 30-inch inseam, and I would be, I wouldn't have to buy a low seat on the Transalp, which I have. So I've got the Transalp low seat, which drops the seat height down from 850 to 830, which then, because of the seat sag, the soft suspension on the Transalp, I can flat foot the bike now, but I can flat foot it, which makes a difference. Anybody that says it doesn't know what we're talking about. When I was younger, I rode a bike with 890 millimeter seat height. No, actually, I think it was 920 millimeters. It was a Honda. It was a Yamaha IT200L long suspension. We had about 260, 280 mils travel, front and back, something like that. Don't quote me. And let me know in the comments if you can know any different, but I think it was a 920 mils seat height. I looked it up a while ago, and I rode that 14 years. I rode the IT175 at 14, and I got the IT200 at 20 years old, and I was the same, 175, shrunk a couple of centimeters. Hi, welcome back to the channel.